Good morning. In 12th class biology, we have to start today the third chapter, human reproduction. Reproduction is the process of creation of children, offsprings or new individuals from the parental combination of their own type. We know that reproduction consists of different events. One, that is gametogenesis. The father prepares a sperm and the mother prepares egg. The process of formation of gametes, male or female gamete, is known as gametogenesis. After gametogenesis, the next step is that the male gamete should be released or transferred in the female body. The process of transfer of male gamete in the female reproductive tract through the vagina during the sexual intercourse is known as insemination. After insemination, the third step is that the process of fusion of male and female gamete, that is called fertilization. And after the fertilization, the zygote is formed, and that zygote divides successively and make the mass of tissue, the organized mass of the tissue, that is called blastocyst. And that blastocyst is attached in the inner lining of the uterus, that is called implantation. After implantation, the embryonic development takes place. And this embryonic development and this phase of embryonic development is known as gestation. And after the complete development, now the fetus get mature. And after 9 months, the baby is taking birth. The fetus is ejected outside the body in the form of infant, that is known as parturition. Today, we have to study the structure of male reproductive organ. In the male reproductive organ, we know that is made up of different glands, different external genitalias, in which testis comes, penis comes, glands having the seminal vesicle, prostate gland, and bulbourethral gland, Cowper's gland. You can see the figure. In this figure, you know that we have to start from the testis. Testis, it is testis. A pair of testes is found in the one human body. And this testis is the site for the sperm formation. And its length is 4 to 5 centimeter. And its width is 2 to 3 centimeter. When we will cut it longitudinally, we can find the different tubular structures, different ducts, and these ducts can be seen in the 43 page number in the figure 3.1b. And these ducts are rete testis, vas differentia, epididymis, and finally this epididymis is coming out through the vas deferens. This is the vas deferens. This vas deferens will be coming over and it will loop over the urinary bladder or in the ureter. When it will come down, it will join with the ducts of the seminal vesicle, which is the gland which is found in the male reproductive genitalia. And this gland and duct of this gland get attached with this vas deferens. Now this vas deferens comes down and merge with the duct of the prostate gland as well as the duct which is coming from the urinary bladder. The duct which is coming from the urinary bladder, that is called urethra. And when this joint duct will be coming down, it will have attachment with another gland which is known as bulbourethral gland, and this bulbourethral gland will be coming through, and this is called urethra, will be coming down and will be coming in the muscular organ, in the muscular structure, that is called penis. And this penis, in which this tubular structure, this duct is coming out, and the opening of this urethra, which is coming through this muscular organ, penis, that is called urethral meatus. This opening of the urethra is called urethral meatus. This penis is covered by the skin. This penis is covered by the skin, which is known as foreskin. The penis is covered by the skin which is known as foreskin. The penis is covered by the skin which is known as foreskin. And the terminal part of the penis, terminal part of the penis, the terminal part of the penis is called glans penis. The terminal part of the penis is called glans penis. This penis does two works. One, at the time of urine excretion, it will help in the urine excretion. And at the time of sexual intercourse, the semen which is formed inside this testis, that semen will be ejected, will be released, will be ejaculated through this urethral meatus, through this urethra. Means two works are done by this urethra. One is the urine discharge, and second is, that is the sperm or semen discharge, ejaculation of the semen in the female reproductive tract. This is the structure of male reproductive organ. When we will get the section of the testis, we can find that it has many compartments. In one testis, 250 compartments are found. In this 250 compartments, one compartment is made up of 2 to 3 seminiferous tubules, and that seminiferous tubules having the two faces. Inner face will have the male germ cell and the Sertoli cells. Male germ cell will develop into a sperm, and Sertoli cell will nourish a sperm, male germ cell. And outside seminiferous tubules, we have to know that one type of cell is found that is called Leydig cell. And this Leydig cell make male hormone that is called androgen. And the space outside the seminiferous tubule is known as interstitial space. So this is all about. Thank you.